In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Wrike inbox. Your inbox is the nerve center for updates, comments, and assignments, so keeping it tidy and responding efficiently will save you time and reduce stress. I'll walk you through opening your inbox, reviewing messages, reacting or replying, sending your response, and then using the sent and archive views to stay organized. First, open Wrike and let your workspace load. On the left-hand navigation, look for Inbox. This is where Wrike gathers notifications related to tasks, projects, and mentions. Click it to bring up your latest activity. Think of this as your action list. What needs acknowledgement, what needs a quick response, and what can simply be filed away. Next, click any message to open it. You'll see the context on the right, including the task or item it relates to, who sent it, and any previous conversation. Take a moment to scan the details so you understand what's being asked or updated before you respond. This quick review helps you choose the right next move. If the message only needs acknowledgement, use a reaction. Reactions are perfect for a quick thumbs up or a simple confirmation without adding more messages to the thread. They show you've seen the update and keep communication lightweight. It's a great way to cut noise while still staying responsive. When a response is needed, type directly in the reply field below the message. Keep your reply clear and actionable. If you're confirming completion, say what you finished. If you have a question, make it specific so the sender can answer quickly. When you're ready, click Send. That locks in your response and updates the conversation for everyone involved. To verify what you've sent, switch to the Sent view in your inbox. This shows all the messages and replies you've dispatched. It's useful for double-checking that your response went through, following up on items you're waiting on, and maintaining a simple audit trail of your communication. Finally, use Archive to keep your inbox clean. Click Archive to view messages you've already set aside. Archiving doesn't delete anything. It just moves it out of your main view so you can focus on what's still active. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference in day-to-day clarity. That's the workflow. Open your inbox, review a message, react when that's enough, reply when more is needed, send, check your sent items, and rely on Archive to stay organized. Follow these steps daily, and your Wrike inbox will feel manageable, focused, and fast.